Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Did you miss UMIDIGI smartphones? We haven't published videos about UMIDIGI phones the whole week. Can you imagine this? I'm just kidding. I know we make too many videos about UMIDIGI devices, but the Chinese company makes very good products, and we want to tell you about them. The new smartphone from UMIDIGI is called UMIDIGI X. It has a very exciting name, and specifications are also very interesting. This is the first look at UMIDIGI X. If you like this phone, at the end of the video I will tell you how you can get it for free. The new smartphone has similar design to the previous models, such as UMIDIGI A5 Pro, UMIDIGI F1 and others. It has the same water drop notch above the display, but it seems that the chin at the bottom is smaller. UMIDIGI X has glass back panel. There is triple camera and flashlight on the back. The fingerprint reader is located under the display. This is the first highlight of this phone. Talking about display, it has a diagonal of 6.3 inches AMOLED panel. It's a pity, but the screen resolution is only HD+, 1548 by 720 pixels. The phone is equipped with USB Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, and hybrid slot for dual SIM or one SIM card and microSD memory card. UMIDIGI X is powered by Helio P60 chipset. We have already made a review of UMIDIGI F1 Play on this processor, and it provides pretty good performance. UMIDIGI F1 Play scores about 137,000 points in AnTuTu, and I expect the similar result from UMIDIGI X. The new smartphone has 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. It runs on Android 9.0 Pie operating system, but this is not stock Android. There are some pre-installed apps from UMIDIGI and customized icons. The next highlight of this mobile device is camera. There is triple camera on the back, 48MP main sensor Samsung GM1, 8MP ultra-wide lens, and 5MP sensor for depth effect. The selfie camera is 16MP. UMIDIGI F1 Play has the same 48MP main sensor as UMIDIGI X, so the image quality should be similar. However, the new phone received 8MP ultra-wide lens. We have tested UMIDIGI A5 Pro with ultra-wide lens, and it is a very good feature. I can say nothing about photo quality, because the phone hasn't gone on sale yet, and I haven't seen real sample photos. Waiting for the release and real images. UMIDIGI X has 4150 mAh battery and 18W fast charging. As you remember, the previous phones from UMIDIGI had 5150 mAh batteries, but here is only 4150 mAh. The smartphone will go on sale on August 26. However, now it is available for pre-sale for the price of $249. Also, if you buy UMIDIGI X before official start of sales, you will get new UMIDIGI UPods earphones for free. Right now, there is giveaway on UMIDIGI official store. You can win one of 20 smartphones. The details about giveaway by the link in description. What do you think about UMIDIGI X? Is it a good phone? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.